Hi guys, welcome back. So today we will be covering a trig concept which I find a lot of students struggle with. So I'm going to break it down for you step by step. So we have a triangle ABC where sine B is equal to 3 over 5 and sine C which is equal to 1 over 4. So determine the ratio AB to BC. So let's just start off by drawing our triangle right here. So you have A, B, and C. Because you're dealing with two ratios, now you can cut your triangle into two right triangles. Then you can reassign this. So you have 3 over 5, so opposite of B would be 3. Then you have hypotenuse, which is 5. Then for C, you have opposite, which is 1. Then hypotenuse, which is 4. So in this case, because you need to find the ratio between AB and BC, you also need to find the length of BC. So we can just further break this down into X and Y. So we can also utilize the ratio 3 over 5 and 1 over 4. So B over 3 over 5, which is equal to C over 1 over 4. So in this case, you can further simplify this into 5B over 3, which is equal to 4C. So just in case you're wondering how this was resimplified, so you would take B times the reciprocal of 3 over 5, which is 5 over 3. And that's why it's 5B over 3. On the other hand, we're now looking at C. So you have C times the reciprocal of 1 over 4, which is 4 over 1. So in this case, this would just be 4C. So we can just make this into whole numbers such that you would have 5B, which is equal to 12C. So you have to multiply 4 and 3 so that you get 12C. So now we see that for AB, it must be 5. And for AC, it must be 12. So you need to think of a factor that you multiply to 4 to get to 12, and that would be 3. So the new hypotenuse of this side of your right triangle would be 12. And in order to make sure that everything is balanced, you also have to multiply this leg right here by 3 so that you get 3. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the Pythagorean theorem to look for this side and to look for this side. So let's just focus on this side of the triangle first. So you would square your hypotenuse, so this would be 5 squared, is equal to 3 squared. So this side plus x squared. So this would be 25 minus 9, which is equal to x squared. Taking the square root of both sides, you get x is equal to 4. On the other hand, we're now looking at y. So you would have hypotenuse, which is 12. So that's 12 squared, which is equal to 3 squared. So it's this side plus y squared. So you're going to get 144, which is equal to 9 plus y squared. So this would be 144 minus 9 is equal to y squared. So taking the square root of both sides, you would get y, which is equal to 3 root of 15. So in order to find the ratio between A, B, and BC, this means you would have to add these two. So AB would be 5, so that's given right here, and BC would be 4 plus 3 root of 15. So that's our ratio. That's it for now, guys. I hope to see you on my next session. Bye.